Presenting Boult Audio newly launched Z40 Pro Bluetooth earbuds. It is available in color variants Z40 Pro Midnight, Z40 Blue, Z40 Brown, Z40 Pro Dawn, Z40 Pro Jungle, Z40 Pro Lavender and Z40 White. This earbud redefines endurance with an astonishing 100-hour playtime on a single charge. It supports ultra-fast Type-C charging and provides hours of playback. This earbud comes with powerful 10mm bass drivers which delivers a rich and dynamic audio experience. It offers a gaming mode with an ultra-low 45-millisecond latency, ensuring that audio syncs perfectly with your on-screen action. It comes with IPX5 water resistance rating. They can handle splashes and sweat. It comes with crystal clear communication with the Boult Z40 Pro's quad mic ANC technology. This earbud eliminates background noise, ensuring your voice is heard with pristine clarity. It features a premium rubber grip case that ensures a comfortable fit in your hands.